Hey everyone, my name is Craig Stansbury, and welcome to my course, Cisco Core Security, Network Security with Cisco ASA. I'm a network security consultant for my company Stanstech. Properly securing the management plane of your adaptive security appliance will help keep them protected from attacks. This will allow the ASA to continue doing what it is designed to do, which is to protect your network. In this course, we're going to take a look at how to secure the management plane on ASAs by leveraging the CLI, ASDM, Cisco ISE, and Cisco Security Manager. Some of the major topics that we will cover include configuring secure device management, using Cisco ISE to provide tactics administration to the ASA, configuring management protocols to be secure, and leveraging Cisco Security Manager to automate management tasks. By the end of this course, you'll know how to properly secure the management plane of your adaptive security appliances. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with basic network security. The Cisco Core Security Network Security Fundamentals course will help get you up to speed. From here, you should feel comfortable diving into Cisco Core Security with courses on endpoint protection and detection, content security with Cisco Web Security Appliance and Cisco Umbrella, describing and configuring VPNs, and securing the cloud. I hope you'll join me on this journey to learn about securing Cisco adaptive security appliances with the Cisco Core Security Network Security with Cisco ASA course at Pluralsight.